Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar Canadian, I've been saying for the last couple of days, if we go up to the daily time frame, and we zoom back in a little bit, this definitely could be impulsive up, break a structure like either a wave A or a wave 1. This could be a pullback, either wave B or wave 2. We could bounce off one of these fib levels and continue up for either a wave C, which would look like this, and then continue down, or it could even make a wave 3, which would potentially go up and take out the high of wave 4, and then make like a wave 4 and 5 like that. So we definitely could, get a pretty significant turn. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have no idea whether this move up is the turn that we're waiting for. I would prefer for the daily time frame to kind of confirm that it's going up and then wait for a pullback on the 1 hour. So I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here because we are definitely getting a break of trend. We are seeing higher lows in a downtrend. So this sets in a trend is likely over. If this sets in a trend is likely over, it could be the end of a wave C. It could just keep on going up and up and up from here. But because the daily is definitely still down, I will, if I see three waves up to a fib level, if I see a one, two, three up to any one of these fib levels, then I see an impulsive engulfing down. I will definitely continue to look for sorts because the daily is definitely telling me to continue to look for sorts. If the daily turns up today, then on Monday I will be more happy to start looking for pullbacks to go long. Otherwise, I'm definitely looking at any move I see to the upside as possibly just a pullback to the last wave down because the daily is definitely still down as of now, no matter what my Elliot wave analysis is potentially telling me. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.